I can't rap on no northern beat. I just did that shit on Pancake. I guess that shit wasn't good enough, man. Hey, man, drop me a beat, man. Okay. I fuck with that. I like that. Yo, shout out for real, man. Y'all look grateful, man. For real, dog. I ain't finna keep getting y'all this shit for free, man. Feel me? This is here for the ladies, man. Shout out for real. Shout out to JD, man. Check it. Lennox all polo shopping, just me and you. They said it's just a hit and run, but they don't have a clue. I pop a molly, now I'm sweating, and she pop one too. Bad bitch like Jada Pinkett when she play the woo. She scared of guns, but a bust one if she have to. I got the 38 just in case she have to. Plus a sentence game flawless, like Rossi Reynolds. We booed up, blowing gas, I'm trying to light a kennel. Liquor from the ears, neck down to bingo. Can you stand it, put my tongue in your asshole? They call me Dirty Double, you can call me porn star. Foreign bitch, so I fucking in a phone call. Yeah, I told you I'm a fool with it. Got so many bitches, I'm finna start pimping. College girl with me, she said she from New Britain, so I took her to the La Quinta and crushed her like a fountain. Sent her to the store just to get some on the hammer. I remember it like yesterday, I was in Atlanta. Dropped 23 and jumped back like Jordan. She said, Daddy, I love you and the mother niggas boring. Magic City Strip Club, I swear we had it pouring. She said her name was Dora, well I'm trying to explore. Drop some ones on her, get some head in the Explorer. This shit come off the dome, and you ain't even know it. Like that, nigga. Hey, man, D, man, bring my shit back, man. Bring my shit back, man. You niggas be trying me, dog. Okay. That's it. 24 hours, baby. That's all I need. You know what I'm saying? That what we get on this too? That what we get on this too? I ain't gonna get out that shit. Be continued, man.